And this is your book of PLS. Now open the page number 27. Children, we have already done this page on board. You will do the page number 27 and also the page number 25 and page number 26. Children, on the page number 25, you will write the spelling of cup, C-U-P, cup. You will write here the spelling of cup and also you will write the spelling of cup. And you will do this page at the presence of your parents at home. Children, on the page number 26, you will match the spelling with their pictures. Like, this is the spelling of cup, C-U-P, cup. And where is the cup? Yes, here is a cup. Now you will match the spelling of cup to the picture of cup. Children, you will do all 3 pages at home with the guidance of your parents. Thank you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.